Alright, welcome back. Saturday, December 4th, 2021. We have the most scripted game of the Premier League era as Liverpool beat Wolves 1-0 thanks to a last-minute winner from cult hero Divock Origi. Check it out. On the day leaving 27 days in the year, number 27, Divock Origi gets a last-minute winner. At Molineux, 103, the 27th prime. Number 27 gets the winner. 27 days left in the year. What a coincidence. This was number 27's 39th goal for Liverpool, and he got it against the Wolves, 39. Coincidentally, this was Liverpool's 39th winning goal scored in 90 plus minutes in the Premier League. How's that even possible? Span of 39 weeks before Molineux opened. These synchronicities are improbable to be natural. This is proof that football is rigged and scripted by the numbers. Jurgen Klopp gets 58th point of the season thanks to Origi, 58. Gets 207th win for Liverpool, like 27. On the day leaving 27 days in the year, thanks to number 27. Also gets his 148th Premier League win against Bruno Lage, the manager of Wolves. Yeah. If this doesn't prove to you that football is scripted, then nothing will. Till next time.